To strengthen the knees, rebuild cartilages and ligaments, you will need this drink. Our body weakens with age, and as the function of the organs and body parts reduces, we start experiencing pain. Joint pain and muscle aches are among the most common issues that result from aging, as their main cause, but they can also be caused by numerous other factors as well, such as physical activity and sports. This pain can be debilitating, extremely intense, and very difficult to treat. WebMD explains. A joint is the connection between two bones. Joints and their surrounding structures allow you to bend your elbows and knees, wiggle your hips, bend your back, turn your head, and wave your fingers to say bye-bye. Smooth tissue called cartilage and synovium and a lubricant called synovial fluid cushion the joints so bones do not rub together. But increasing age, injury, or carrying too much weight can wear and tear your cartilage. This can lead to a reaction that can damage your joints and lead to arthritis. The best way to care for your joints is to keep them and your muscles, ligaments, and bones strong and stable. Jasper Sahu DC, a popular Toronto chiropractor, adds. Ligaments are important fibrous body tissues that connect bones together. Strengthening your ligaments will help increase your overall body strength by giving bones and muscles a solid foundation to work from. The following natural drink will strengthen the joints, ligaments, and cartilages, and help you soothe the pain. Ingredients: 2 cups of chopped pineapple, 1 cup of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of natural orange juice, 1 teaspoon of organic honey, 8 ounces of crushed sweet almonds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 8 ounces of water. Instructions: mix all of the ingredients in a blender. Blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. Drink a glass of the remedy twice daily, once on an empty stomach in the morning, and another one in the afternoon. Repeat daily for 15 days, and the pain will be over soon.